To log into an account, use top main menu, File, Login. Type in your login details as provided through My FXTM. Make sure your server choice resembles the account type you choose. Use the Save Account Information option to save your login and password. If ticked, the MT4 will immediately log into your account once you open the platform. If unticked, you will be required to fill in login and password each time you open the platform. Use this option wisely if you are not the only one using that PC. The far bottom corner shows your connectivity status. Numbers in this image means that the account is connected and showing connectivity speed. Disconnected. Please make sure that your internet connection is working, account is valid, and server choice is correct. Invalid account, please make sure your login password and server details are correct. MarketWatch is the window where you can see symbol for instruments, bid, selling price, ask, buying price, highest and lowest price, time of last price update. Right-click on an instrument and you can open a trade by choosing New Order. Open a chart window for that instrument. Open a tick chart for that instrument. Hide the instrument from the MarketWatch. Hide all instruments from the MarketWatch. Show all instruments. Show or remove high-low columns. Time. Auto range options or grid line in between. Tick chart is a chart that represents the price movement of an instrument tick by tick, i.e. reflects each and every change. Navigator window helps to show and navigate between accounts on the same terminal. Provides access to a wide range of indicators and customer indicators. Access to expert advice and scripts for using automated trading functions. Chart window represents the price movement of an instrument based on time frame, options from 1-minute chart, 5-minute chart, 15-minute chart, 30-minute chart, 1-hour chart, 4-hour chart, daily, weekly, and monthly charts. Chart type, line chart, a simple graph line tracking the instrument price change by drawing a line from one closing price to the next closing price. Bar chart, tracking the price movement with bar containing high and low prices. A small dash on the left representing the opening price and a small dash on the right representing the closing price. Each bar represents a certain time frame as per the time period chosen. Candlestick chart, tracking the price movement through high, low, opening, and closing prices. The color of the body of the candle, as well as its length, indicates the price change variation, while each candle would represent a certain time frame as per the time period chosen. You can navigate between fully maximized charts from the bottom tabs. Use these tabs to easily navigate between one chart type to another. Use these tabs to zoom in and out of the chart in order to view smaller or bigger frames. Use these tabs to change the time frame of the chart. Use this chart's top main menu to update the functions and the view of the chart to your preference. Right-click inside the chart area to access the same options, in addition to Trading, to open a new order or place a pending order. Save a template or print the chart. Use the Window top main menu to change the view of the chart windows that are currently open. Use the small white arrow next to the chart details to activate one-click trading option, or click on the option available when you right-click inside the chart window. To open a position, right-click on the chart, then choose Trading, then choose New Order. Or double-click on the instrument on the MarketWatch. Or right-click on the instrument inside the MarketWatch and choose New Order. You have the option to add a stop loss and/or take profit orders. Then choose whether you wish to open a transaction now through instant execution or place a pending order. If you choose instant execution, simply click Sell or Buy depending on your trade decision. Once your transaction is completed, a confirmation window will appear. Choose to place a pending order if you wish to open a transaction at a price that is not currently available in the market. Buy limit, an order to buy below the current market price. Sell limit, an order to sell above the current market price. Buy stop, an order to buy above the current market price. Sell stop, an order to sell below the current market price. Decide on the price you wish to place your order at, using the up and down arrows, or simply type in the price. You have the option to place an expire date and time for your order, then click Place. The terminal window displays multiple tabs at the bottom. Trade, showing your current open transactions. Account history, showing closed transactions. Alerts, provides the option to create an audio alert when a certain price level is reached. Mailbox, where you receive internal system emails. Journal, registers all activities made inside the account from beginning of the session till end. In the Trade tab, open transactions can be viewed with instant update on balance, equity, margin, margin levels, profit/loss. You may also update an open position by right-clicking on it and choosing Modify Order to add a stop loss S/L and/or take profit T/P order. To close an open position, simply double-click on it and click on the Close button. Once a trade is open, you can see balance, amount of money in the account, not including margin for open positions or profit/loss. Margin, funds needed to open a position. Margin level, equity to margin ratio, percentage of how much you have to cover required margin for current open trades. Free margin, funds not used to guarantee open position. Equity, account balance plus floating profit/loss of current open positions. Right-click on an open position and you can open a new order, close that highlighted order, modify or delete order to add a stop loss or take profit order, add/edit a trailing stop, view your profit/loss in points, term currency, deposit currency, view commissions column, view taxes column, auto arrange, view/hide grid lines. Choosing modify or delete order opens a new window where you can add/modify your stop loss and take profit orders. Simply add the points, bearing in mind the 5th decimal pricing. Click Copy as to add the price as per the points value you defined, then click Modify button. Double-click on a position and you can modify by close a position by choosing Instant Execution in the Type drop-down menu. Closed transactions appear on the Account History tab and you can choose the time frame you wish to see. You also have the option to save an account statement or a detailed account statement.